Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: Apple Watch Series 8, latest watch OS, and your iPhone paired with health setup. Once done, wear the watch snugly on the wrist you select and dry the skin. Moisture, lotion, or sweat reduces signal quality. Open the ECG app now, sit still, rest your forearm on a table, and gently touch the digital crown with the opposite index finger. Hold steady. The app prepares and begins measuring electrical signals for the recording. Tap start and keep still, no talking or moving, because motion creates electrical noise and ruins the trace. The watch records for 30 seconds and displays a live waveform and heart rate. Pay attention to any sensations like palpitations or dizziness and add them as symptoms afterward. Once complete, save the recording. Your watch sends the PDF to the health app on your iPhone. Make sure to add notes describing activity or symptoms so your clinician gets context when reviewing the trace. Review the saved ECG in the health app. The classification will say sinus rhythm, atrial fibrillation, or inconclusive. These labels help guide next steps, but they are not a definitive diagnosis. Export the PDF and share it with your clinician, including symptom notes and the date/time for clinical context. If the reading is poor, first dry the skin, tighten the band slightly, and retry. If problems persist, restart the watch and iPhone. And if you still get noisy traces,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.